pupils, and welcome to the channel Daniel's Polyglot. In today's lesson, we are going to learn means of transport. If you want to learn them, please stay.
Welcome to Language Adventure with Tanya. Imagine exploring the world through its languages. Picture yourself strolling past the Eiffel Tower, diving into the rich history of Germany, or savoring the vibrant culture of Spain. Each language opens a door to new experiences, friendships, and understanding. Whether you're mastering English, dancing to Korean rhythms, or savoring French cuisine, every word you learn is a step on this exciting journey. Let's embark on this adventure together and unlock the beauty of communication across the globe.
So, guys, let's begin with this vocabulary lesson. We have airplane, airship, then we have car, and then we have bicycle. Then we have boat, and then we have bus. Then we have limousine, and then we have motorcycle. Then we have rollerblades and a scooter. Then we have a skateboard and train. Then we have subway and taxi. Then we have hot air balloon. Then we have helicopter, and then we have jet. So now, guys, I decided to create these examples for you to understand and see how to maybe add these words in a sentence. For example, I take the bus to work because it's more convenient. We took the train to visit our relatives in the neighboring state. She rides her bicycle to work to stay fit. He prefers riding his motorcycle to beat the traffic. I hope that with these examples it's more clear, guys, in which context you can use or add this vocabulary. Or imagine if you are, I don't know, making some tourism in a foreign country and you want to ask, um, where can I take the bus? At what time the train arrived and things like that, right? So that's why it's important to know also this kind of vocabulary and how to maybe add these words in a sentence. So be careful in those details and you will speak English like a pro. So now, guys, I have a question for you. What's your favorite mean of transport? For example, in my case, I prefer to travel by airplane. What is your favorite mean of transport? I don't know. Write it down below in the comments and I'll be reading your answers and your preferences when traveling or moving. So thank you guys. Don't forget to give a like and hit that bell button and subscribe. And please write down below in the comments your answers with what's your favorite mean of transport to travel maybe to another city or country, right? So please write it down below in the comments.